Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about why bookkeeping matters for freelancers. Let's get into the video. The reason bookkeeping is crucial for freelancers. 1. Legal and tax compliance. Proper bookkeeping ensures you are complying with tax regulations. Inaccurate or incomplete records can result in tax audits, penalties, or fines. The second reason bookkeeping is crucial for freelancers is financial health monitoring. With well-organized books, you can track how much you are earning, where you are spending, and how profitable your freelance business is. The third reason is professionalism. Maintaining clear and accurate records boosts your credibility as a professional. You can also more easily prepare financial statements for loan applications, business growth, or other needs. And the fourth reason bookkeeping is crucial for freelancers is time savings. Organized bookkeeping reduces the time spent scrambling for receipts or invoices during tax season, allowing you to focus on your freelance work. Thanks for watching this video and do not forget to subscribe to my channel.